How to get HypeSquad badge on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can get HypeSquad badge on Discord. So to do that, first of all, open Discord. Now you can open the Discord app on your mobile device or a PC, or you can also do it through the Discord browser. So once you open Discord and then are logged into your account, simply go to settings. After that, scroll down until you see the option HypeSquad. Simply tap on it. After that, if you are not already joined to Hype Squad or you don't have an Hype Squad badge, simply tap on the option Join Hype Squad. After that, it'll simply ask you 5 questions. So simply select the answer which is most suitable for you and then tap on the option Next question. Now you'll have to give answers to a total of 5 questions. So simply answer all of those. For now, I'll simply answer them randomly and then tap on the option Show Me My House. Now once you've done that, it'll assign you one of 3 Hype Squad and then you will get a Hype Squad badge. Now if you don't like this badge and then want to get other two, you can simply take the test again and then simply get another badge. So that is basically how you get an Hype Squad badge on Discord. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.